Hello, everybody. I am joined by Troy Deeney, who you guys, I'm sure, will probably know. But for me, this is going to be an act of getting to know him. We're going to do 60 seconds, calling the clock. Can I get 60 seconds on the clock, my boo? All right, here we go. If you could play a home game with your best guys, who would you pick the three best mates?
Oh, Adrian Mariappa, Antonio, who's just here, and Akin Fenwa.
It's gonna hurt for some people, but like just take it in, just know that's it. Okay, what's on your pizza when you order a pizza?
I just had one earlier, so I had a cheeseburger one from Domino's. Very good.
Oh, that's very gangster. A cheeseburger, a cheeseburger pizza. Okay, who's your best follow on Instagram?
I don't even know. Ian Wright, maybe? I don't know.
He doesn't want to admit. Like, you know he follows those. No, he won't tell. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, what advice would you give yourself if you could go back and talk to your 15-year-old self?
Oh, well. I made a lot of mistakes, so just keep the faith and it'll all be good.
Keep on keeping on. Oh, gosh, really? Wait. Okay, what's, like, one of the weirdest things that has come into your DMs? Slide into that DM.
Yeah, somebody basically asked for a kidney before. That was strange.
Get out.
I swear, somebody asked if they could have my kidney.
Get out, dude. He's trying to sell a kidney. Like, things are getting really serious over here, guys. Okay, finally, we'll just do something like random and weird. What's your proudest accomplishment?
My two children.
Boom, take that. What's their name?
Miles and Amelia.
Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the mamas out there. Shout out to everyone. Good luck, of course. I wish you luck in this tournament.
Thank you very much.
A cash game, whatever it is. You guys are with us here on PokerNews.com.